Jalan, we have spoken out, expressing clause by clause what have been the apprehensions, and they've taken note. Of course, they were trying to justify, but they have to now come out with the details of the entire bill and the compared with the act. They will give us a proposal, then we will submit our objections, and then we have also expressed how the certain clauses were becoming very draconic and how they were not working into the system of the constitution, and also how it overrides the IDC Act. So all nitty-gritty is also what will be the investment. Because the 5 crores are so anywhere it can come up in investment. So without having any limitations on finance, on area. So this is what has happened, and we will be having the next meeting on the 8th of November. This was only a preliminary meeting, just to hear our views.
So one more thing regarding this thing. Yesterday, PM had given a statement saying that he has no connection with the Bhutani
projects.
I don't know. That only he can explain, but I can't say anything. And I have not seen the documents myself of Bhutani project. I am about to see them actually. Professionally, I am going to be seeing them. So right now, without seeing that, I can't make a comment. But he having connection, not connection, that I can't say.
Okay.